Simple ways to get smooth, shiny and healthy hair. Hello gorgeous, welcome to my channel where I share beauty tips that every girl should know. Today I'll be discussing about the topic that is close to our heart, hair care. There are certain parts of our body that are noticed by people more often. So, we have to make sure those parts are well mentioned and healthy. Whether you've been battling with dryness, frizz, or just want to enhance natural shine, you are in the right place. Forget about all the expensive salon treatment and chemical-packed products that turns your hair rough and lifeless. We will be talking about basics with simple and natural solutions. But first, how will you really know and describe if you have a healthy and smooth hair? First, take a look at the texture of your hair. Healthy hair should feel smooth and soft to the touch, without any roughness or brittleness. Second, check the shine of your hair. Shiny hair is usually a sign of good health. So if your hair lacks luster, it might be a sign of damage or dryness. Third, another indicator of healthy hair is the elasticity. To test this, gently stretch a strand of hair. If it returns to its original length without breaking, then your hair is likely in good condition. Fourth, pay attention to your scalp as well. A healthy scalp is free of irritation, flakes, and excessive oiliness. If you notice any of these issues, it could be affecting the health of your hair. Fifth, healthy hair is strong and resilient. It is less likely to breakage and split ends, even when subjected to styling. Remember, achieving and maintaining a healthy hair requires adopting good hair care practices and habits. For example, using gentle products that actually suit your hair type. For example, if you have oily hair, use clarifying shampoo, but if you have dry hair, use a moisturizing shampoo. Second, minimize heat styling. If you have to do heat styling, use it on the lowest heat setting as possible and apply a heat protectant spray before. Have a balanced diet. Incorporating food rich in vitamins and minerals, like fruits, vegetables, and nuts, can help you promote hair growth and strength from the inside out, protect your hair from environmental damage and manage your stress levels. Now, let's talk about hair tools. Investing in a good quality hairbrush and hairdryer can make so much difference. Use these with gentle strokes and on low heat as possible if you want to style your hair without damaging it. Always remember to trim your hair every 6 to 7 weeks to maintain healthy hair and avoid split ends. Do you know that you can take care of your hair even when you are asleep? Yes, that's right, you can replace your regular pillow cover with silk or satin pillowcases to avoid friction and frizz while sleeping. You can also apply a hair mask before bed and wash it off in the morning to reveal soft and fresh hair. Additional tips: washing your hair. Wash your hair regularly using 6A gentle shampoo and conditioner, but avoid doing it frequently as it can strip away natural oils, leading to dryness. Conditioning. Use a good quality conditioner suitable for your hair after every wash. Apply it from mid-length to the ends, avoiding the scalp. Drying. Whenever possible, dry your hair in natural air. Remove excess water from hair using a soft and clean towel gently. Combing your hair. Use a wide-toothed brush or comb to detangle your hair. Start from ends and gradually work your way up to avoid breakage. Protection from the sun. Protect your hair from the sun by wearing a scarf or a hat, or you can also use products with SPF. Be gentle when wet. Wet hair tends more to breakage, so handle it with care. Don't comb harshly or use towel vigorously while your hair is wet. Harsh treatments. Try to minimize the use of harsh chemical treatment like coloring or straightening, as they can damage your hair and make it dull. And there you have it. I hope you found these tips helpful and that you're able to incorporate them into your own beauty routine.